I'm going to be camping behind this Maccas behind me. Well, stealth camping is kind of like an adult version of hide and seek. You know, when you're a kid, you always dreamt of being a ninja. You always admire the art of Shinobi. But a lot has changed since medieval Japan. These days, if you walk around in the general public like Shinobi and you look kind of suspicious with a backpack, you might get arrested for multiple terror offenses. Ever since 9/11, the ancient art of Shinobi had to evolve. And this is exactly where it's at today. Let me show you. The humble tradesman. As soon as you wear this, you get the keys to the city. I don't care what you say. You got all the people that want to go camping in all their tactical gear and try and blend in with the environment. These people are amateurs, and they do not follow the ancient form of Shinobi. Because in the ancient form of Shinobi, you need to get inside of the head of your enemy. You got to think like they're thinking. If you are a normal citizen and you see a gentleman walk into the bushes here, behind here, with tactical gear on and a backpack, brew, that guy's either here to
Redacted.
someone or
Redacted.
someone. What I can't say. But if you go wearing a hi-vis shirt, when you see hi-vis, you think, ah, good on that guy. He's working an extra night shift here at whatever this is. He's got his backpack full of tools. I'm not here to Mickey Mouse around. I'm here to camp and not get caught. What I've seen in other McDonald's stealth camping videos is you need to get as close to the takeaway order speakers. So you got to hear all the orders as they come through during the night. It's a weird rule. I mean, I can't believe.
I can't do any shapes of ice cream.
Okay, in that case, caramel latte for the drink, please.
Caramel latte, is that a full cream?
Yes, please.
Set off today?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, 7 to bum.
Bedtime. Next to the drive-thru. I'm dying for a coffee. Yay. Let's go in and let's go get a coffee. I type it for number 18, please. Thank you. So if you like stealth camping videos, take a look at this one. It's pretty awesome. I hope you had a few laughs, and I'll see you in the next one. You!